What's up, everybody? So yeah, I'm going to be going over the trades that I took last week. This is the series where I document my journey trading a 5k GFT profit account. So yeah, going over the trades I took last week or this week. Yeah. So first trade I took was on GBP GPY. Actually, I was looking at this zone for a buy. Am I actually recording? I was looking at this zone for a buy. Price came into my zone. I went to M15 to look for a shift in the market structure to the upside, right? And I got my market structure shift here. So I tried to buy from here, from this other block here, and I put my stop loss here. Price moved in my direction a little bit, but I don't even know what happened this time. I could not even hold once I saw that once the price was around here. For some reason, I felt that the price was going to be. I could not just hold the trade for some reason, and then I left this trade actually mid here around here for a small loss. I'm going to put a screenshot on the screen. I left here for a small loss because I felt like I was actually going to go to stop loss, but I was wrong, right? Then second trade I took, I believe, was on GBP AUD. On GBP, since we're still on GBP GPY, let me just go to GBP GPY. So yeah, second trade I took that week. So later that week, price came to this second zone here. Let me go back to the higher time frame. So yeah, since this first zone failed, price then came to this second zone down. Again, I went to the lower time frame to look for a market structure shift, right? And yeah, so I got my market structure shift here. Price came into the zone here, market structure shift here, and I put my entry here and put my stop loss here, and then price just hit my stop loss. So that was for the second trade. Third trade I took was on GBP AUD. So on GBP AUD, price was bearish, but I didn't realize that price was already bearish because on the higher time frame, because on the higher time frame, I was looking at this zone here for a buy. So yeah, price came into this zone and gave me a market structure shift around here. So I wanted to buy from here, and then price came to my zone with the high selling momentum. So I kind of knew that I was going to go to stop loss. I kind of knew, so I left halfway to SL for a small loss, right? So back to GPGPY again. Since this zone failed for a buy, this was the zone I was supposed to buy from initially, right? But this zone failed for a buy, so I wanted to use a breaker block to take the trade down for a sell, right? And then we had our inducements here, which is very necessary when trading with breaker blocks. So we had a strong favor look up to the downside as well, right? But I didn't realize that NFP was on Thursday. I actually forgot to check forex factory that week, right? So yeah, price came to this one and started selling off. As you can see, started selling off, and then let me go to the lower time frame. Let me see. As you can see, so price came to this one and started selling off, and then the next thing that happened, NFP straight to SL, right? And I even straight to SL. Yeah, and I even lost more than $50 because I reached $50 due to slippage. So I lost like 70 something dollars. Right, again, I'll put a screenshot on the screen. So yeah, that's pretty much all the trades that I took this week. So yeah, I lost about 3% of my account this week. So see you next week.